Hello viewer, if your more option disappeared from Instagram sensitive content control, let's see how to fix more tab missing from Instagram sensitive content control. Step 1. Tap and hold on Instagram app. Click on I button. Now scroll down. Click on Storage. Now from the lower corner, clear cache data from Instagram app. For clearing cache data from Instagram app for iPhone user, please archive your Instagram app and then restore it. Now go back. Now follow the second step. Open Instagram app. Click on profile icon from the lower right corner. Now tap on three line from the top right corner. Now scroll down and find out help option. Click on help. Now click on report a problem. Tap on report problem. Now click on include and continue. Now here briefly explain what happened or what's not working for you. From the report box, please write down hi Instagram support team. More option disappeared from Instagram sensitive content control. Please fix this issue as soon as possible. Then send your report to the Instagram support team. Now open your Instagram. Now go to content preference. Click on sensitive content. Now see more option show in your sensitive content control section.